to gas.
Okay. Now this is a solid, but we're going from a solid to a gas. We're bypassing the liquid state. This basically is dry ice, is frozen carbon dioxide. So what I'm going to do here is, since it's going directly to a gas, I need somebody with the flattest head over here.
Terrell?
Terrell? Probably go with Terrell. Okay, so Terrell, why don't you get those goggles on?
You about to catch your
Why don't
head
you
with
get those
that.
goggles on? And why don't you keep your head very still? Very, very still. Rub your head up a little bit. Keep it still.
Hey,
Okay, I want you to balance that just like that. Okay, next. What I'm going to do, you just want to step back for this, just kind of look back and keep it recording. Okay, so
Yes.
I want you guys to go ahead and be sure you see Terrell over here. I want you to tell me, do you feel any coldness right now? Do you feel anything getting cold yet? You got some pretty thick hair? I don't know, it might get a little bit...
You might want to stop shaking.
Yeah, just try not to shake too much. Okay, everyone get your goggles on. Everyone get your goggles on. Let me show you guys how this thing's going to work. Go ahead and get your goggles on.
So what is that?
Keep on. This over here is, we have a, what is the name of this instrument that we have over here?
Oh, God.
Can I see that? Okay. What just happened? Okay, so I'm going to use Terrell again. So, Terrell, come over here.
You good, Terrell?
All right, Terrell.
He got scared. He said,
Okay, so what's happening over here? What is this?
it's blowing bubbles.
All right, so why don't you
It's
stick your hand
forming
out?
one bubble. It ain't blowing.
Go ahead, stick your hand out.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's going on right now?
It's just staying still.
Alright,
Jerome.
gonna hold this right here.
Across the room.
It's about to blow up, Terrell. You gotta watch out.
Okay, so
How you gonna move? He needs you. You can't go
right
nowhere.
now I got this, I got a flask. What type of flask is this? Is it Erlenmeyer flask? Is it Erlenmeyer?
No, it's just a flask.
Regular flask. This is a regular flask. Right now I have the dry ice
Can I touch it?
that's inside. This liquid over here,
Is it cold?
it's, you'll see here in a second. Okay, so right now what this liquid is doing is actually, you guys see that?
Oh.
Kind of cool, right?
Terrell, you're returning.
I ain't not scared.
Now you wanna
I'm
stay
not
there.
scared anymore. So, what's happening right now, if you guys take a look at inside over here, you guys can see that the dry ice is actually being, the sublimation is technically being accelerated by the liquid. So you're getting, what's happening here is you're getting this carbon dioxide that's coming up through this wire or through this little tube over here, and you're getting a little, there you go, it's kind of cool, right? So, this is what you guys are going to be doing for y'all's experiment. You guys are going to be just taking, what you're going to do is you guys are going to take these little bowls just like this. I'm going to give each group a piece of dry ice. You're going to be doing a couple different things with these dry ice. Just kind of doing like a little experiment with it. So, everyone wants to stick your hand out? You want to put your hand out? Core? Alright, let me try and get this thing to squeeze out. So,
Push.
and this thing over here is, you guys can actually do this yourself. Now, let me ask you guys this. There you go. Let me ask y'all this. Yeah, well, I can hold it for you. Just stick your hand out. So let me ask y'all this. What's in soda? What are some of the ingredients in soda?
Sugar. Caffeine.
Sodium, caffeine,
Yeah.
sugar. What about CO2? Is there carbon dioxide in soda?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is. Okay, the reason why your soda bubbles as soon as you open it up, just like how it does inside here, is
It's 'cause of the
there
carbon
is
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide is being released.
Yeah.
So this is technically, if you guys drank this over here, it's gonna taste kind of, it's gonna have like a little buzz to it, just like it
What you
would-
mean, you can drink that?
You can't drink it. I mean, you don't
Oh,
want
I
to, because it's not gonna be very good.
But will any chemical
Where do you get
reaction
this ice
happen
from?
inside of your body if you drink that?
Probably.
Where do you get this cut of ice from?
That's a secret. I can't tell you guys.
Internet.
Like the ice cream man get it the same place.
But actually, you guys can try this at home, so it's not gonna hurt. You guys can get it from Albertsons down the street.
Is this what you're talking about we can use for Halloween?
Yeah, it's something you guys can use for Halloween. So if you guys have like a bowl of punch or anything, here you go. Just so if you guys have a, ooh, it popped before it came up there. So if you guys plan on doing a Halloween party or anything like that, you guys can go ahead and just take, you guys can go ahead and take the dry ice, stick it in a punch bowl, and then it'll just kind of like, it'll just basically, you'll have something that looks like this. Ooh, that's so good. So basically, you'll just have something that's coming up like this out of the punch bowl. So it's kind of cool, like over here. Now look at this over here. Now,
Is there dry ice in there?
Okay, carbon dioxide is pretty heavy. So whenever I'm having the carbon dioxide kind of leak out of this bottle, you can actually pour it. You can actually pour it. So I want you guys to get your goggles on. Everyone got their goggles on? Right here.
So that's gonna happen when you pour your punch.
Yeah, if you guys pour like some punch into it, it'll look kind of like this, and you actually can drink out of it because all it is CO2. Now, if you were in an enclosed area,
I want to drink it for some reason.
You want to drink it? It looks kind of good, right?
Can I drink it? Like, will anything happen to me?
Nah, you don't want to drink this. You probably would drink it, but no, you don't want to.
Alright.
So, but you can do it if it's punch. This is not punch. This is something else. Okay. So what you guys are going to do is you guys are actually going to take a dropper. I want you guys to take a dropper. And those of you guys that missed it, whoever's watching this online right now, you guys can just take a dropper. You guys can actually buy this dry ice from Albertsons. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a dropper and you're going to drop one drop of water and see what happens whenever you put it on the dry ice. All right, and you guys are going to observe that and you're going to go ahead and write down. So here, where you guys had drops written on your paper, you're going to observe what happens. So I want you guys to go ahead and go back there, pick a lab station. I'm going to come over there with your equipment and I'll give it to you guys. And Trevor, I don't need your help. All right, so you guys are good.
Cool.